Let's kick off where the country on Wednesday confirmed the highest number of COVID-19 cases in a single day after 307 people tested positive for the virus. The latest numbers coming as the Ministry of Health expressed concern over what it said was blatant disregard of COVID-19 containment measures by a section of Kenyans on a day that the country's total caseload surged to 6,673 with 149 fatalities.
The invisible enemy, that is the coronavirus, continues to ravage the country, with more cases being confirmed despite efforts by the Ministry of Health to flatten the curve. On Wednesday, the country recorded the highest number of positive cases in a single day since the first case was reported 111 days ago.
We tested 3,591 samples over the last 24 hours, and of these, 307 returned positive. This number now pushes our caseload of those confirmed positive to 6,673.
The Ministry of Health partly attributing the obtaining situation to laxity by a number of Kenyans and the high number of samples being tested.
It requires personal responsibility by all Kenyans. At this particular time, we take that extra mile to protect ourselves and protect others, so that when those numbers come and the surge comes, our facilities will be able to deal with.
And with the home-based care protocol gaining momentum, the ministry says that so far 120 people have been discharged after full recovery out of the 600 under the program.
Some of the challenges we face with home-based care, of course, it tends to apply more to those in the middle class and upper middle class, because those who come from the informal settlements, it is practically impossible to undertake home-based care.
The disease posing a greater danger to frontline health workers, with 186 having been infected so far, comprising of 102 women and 84 men. Out of the 307 positive cases recorded over the last 24 hours, Nairobi had 154 cases, Mombasa 38, Machakos 33, Kiambu 20, Narok 20, Kajiado 14, while Busia had 10 cases.
We have seen several developed countries, such as USA, Australia, South Korea, Germany, and others, opening up their economies sooner than when it should have been, and then suddenly experiencing major spikes in COVID-19 infections.
50 patients have been discharged, bringing the total number of those who have recovered from the disease to 2,089, with one more person succumbing to the virus. With the country having recorded 307 new coronavirus cases, the highest number to be recorded in the country in a single day, the Ministry of Health says that the laxity being exhibited by a section of Kenyans is to blame for the high figures, hence the need to adhere to the containment measures in place. Nancy Okware, Channel 1 News.